Thank you for joining in. And for today's video, I have another product review. I didn't plan on doing a product review for this, but once I actually got it and saw how huge it was, I thought I would share it with everyone. I did order this online at Michael's. Let's see here. I'm trying to get the... Ooh, it's loud. I'm trying to get the plastic off here. So, there's like a couple tubes of paint here. And then this palette came for free. Which again, like, I just assumed that it would be like a really, like a dinky, like a little tiny palette. I had no idea it was this huge, which is why I wanted to show it and then do a review. Okay. So like, wow, you could see, here's like my hand. That thing is massive. Again, like I expected it to be this like teeny tiny thing that just like came as a free sample. Like, wow, that thing is humongous. But anyways, it all comes together, and when I purchased it, this was 40% off, I think. But the original price was around $20, which is still a good deal. It was like 6 tubes of paint. You get all the primary colors. Let's see here, to be specific, there's Mars Black, a brilliant red, brilliant yellow, brilliant blue, titanium white, and then the phthalo green, which is like a bluish green. And again, here, I'll pull these on the side. Let's see here, how many? About 11 little spaces. I guess there's another one over here. And then of course like your mixing area. And I will do, here I'll put these off on the side. I'll do some swatches here so you can see what the paint looks like. Or get an idea anyways, because like I said, I know sometimes when you're ordering things online, they can be a little iffy. I mean, I've used this brand before, and I think it's fine. Again, if I didn't already say it, it's the Artist's Loft brand. And the tube size, these are the 4 fluid ounce ones. It's a decent size. I would consider it a medium sized tube. They're not huge, but again, that would depend on, you know, how much painting you actually do or how big your canvas is. You know, what size do you like to use? I generally paint pretty big, so I like the bigger tubes. Okay, well, the white is just white. And then, like I said, the Mars Black. Okay, let's see now. I'll take a little of that. Hey, so that's nice and bright. Ooh, that's thick too. Yeah, that's nice and opaque. Give a little rinse here. I'll check out the red. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. It's a little bit like an orangey red. It's pretty, especially for fall. We'll try the phthalo green. That's nice too. Okay, and then this brilliant blue. Yeah, That's pretty much the same as like a phthalo blue. Yeah, it's definitely darker than an ultramarine, so I would compare this blue to a phthalo one. Just if anybody was curious. So they're really nice. Well, overall, I think this was a really nice purchase, especially considering like how humongous this palette is that was free. And then a couple tubes of paint. Like I said, I'll put them back here so you can see them. And thank you so much for watching. I have a lot more reviews. I can list them in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.